California.
Yep. And my dad is.
Alright, you guys, just so you all know, in case you haven't figured it out yet, these chairs, you can push them so they go the other direction. That way, if you need more room, those 2-seater chairs become 4-seater chairs.
It's gonna be coming moving.
What?
It's gonna be moving.
Do you want me to sit on the other side? Or you're okay? Or just sit on this side? No, it's good.
In the old days, that's where they want the water. You made the train run into the sea and that water, pull out water, and then it goes. Come up.
Okay, you want to do that?
You should go to the Skunk train. It's in like it's like kind of like when you go down the street over by Fort Bragg, then you'll see the Skunk train. Over here. what a cemetery is? It's kind of sort of like someone like died. I don't know. I have no idea.
myself, I am a conductor in training. My name is Brendan. And then we also have 2 concessionaires today on our second covered car. We have Liz, and then we also have a concessionaire in training, Carla. So if you guys want any sort of refreshments, popcorn, snacks, candy, drinks, go ahead, go over to the concessionaire car. They're more than happy to help you out. We have both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, but our alcoholic cooler is not working at the moment. So if you guys would like a cold alcoholic beverage, make sure to ask that concessionaire for ice or ask for a cold beverage. Couple of safety things to go over with you guys. Masks are going to be required at all times while we are on this train ride, except of course when you are eating or drinking. And then once you are done eating or drinking, please throw those masks back on for us. In the open air car, you are going to see some stickers placed on the ground. Those are socially distanced markers. Please abide by them. Make sure that you are not running from coach to coach, and when you do step from coach to coach, that you step from yellow plate to yellow plate. You'll notice that they shift around, and it would not be a good thing if your foot got caught under one of those plates. These windows on these coaches are also very old, so they also like to come crashing down. So please keep that in mind. Keep any appendages that you would like to keep inside of these cabs at all times. Also, please do not reach out and grab the foliage. The foliage likes to grab back. We have a lot of poison oak, blackberries, and stinging nettle, none of which are fun. So, once again, please keep your hands, arms, legs, and heads inside the coaches at all times. One more thing for you guys, ladies and gentlemen. We have bathrooms in each one of our covered coaches except the very front one. That bathroom is out of order, so we currently have 2 bathrooms
the Skunk.
The skunk.
You'll notice many pilings protruding from the water. These once supported bridges and loading docks were used by the train. In the past, tracks would have extended up just about every canyon and creek in the area, branching out to various different logging camps and small towns that sprang up out in the middle of the woods. Our railroad began operation in
I think I see it.
1885, with the
That's a
first
brochure.
railroad equipment arriving in the area by ship in Fort Bragg. The main purpose of the railroad at that time
You
was to
should
bring
go to
logs
Fort
out of
Bragg.
the woods
It's
and
really
into the mill
cool.
in Fort Bragg, where they would then be milled into lumber and be sent out by steamship down to the San Francisco area. Passenger service for the Skunk train began in 1904, but we did not reach Willits until 1911. Passengers trying to reach Willits prior to 1911 would get on the train in Fort Bragg and ride out to one of the many small towns along the line. They would then stay the night in a hotel, wake up the next morning, and ride a stagecoach the rest of the way to Willits. Once we reached Willits in 1911, passengers could ride to Willits in just a couple of hours, and freight would then go out by rail. From Willits, our passengers and freight could catch a ride north and south with the Northwestern Pacific Railroad, which opened in 1907 and by 1914 ran 271 miles from Eureka through Willits and down to Shelbyville, extending our reach further out into the country by rail. The Skunk train was the last railroad to deliver mail 6 days a week up until September 15, 2003, which makes us the last railroad to deliver mail in the United States under a federal contract. The Skunk train is also in the Smithsonian for this fact.
Alright, Marge. Okay, guys, I'll have to end the video because I'm done getting